In this video, I'll walk you through how to save your SPSS output or results as PDF. So let's say you've generated an output that looks like this. And to save it as PDF, you first need to go and click on File, then scroll down, select Export. Then here, we click on Options. When this pops up, we select where we would like to save our document to. I've decided to save it to desktop, so I'll select that. And another file name, you type in the name you would like to save your document as. After that, you click on Save. Now under the document type, you click on that and then scroll down and select PDF. Then, OK. Your document will be exported or saved as PDF.